Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming at you with a video that I actually recorded in November. So it's a couple months late, but it's my day in the life of a university student video. And I actually live on campus, so you will be able to see what it's like to live on campus and, what life is like on campus. Alright. So I'm just waking up here, like actually waking up, so kind of embarrassing. Face is puffy and everything, but it's all good. So when I first wake up, I make my bed. That's a really important thing to do. Gotta put my glasses on because I can't see anything. And yeah, so I make my bed. These guys, little guys, always sleep with me. Also, this is my first take, so we'll see if it even sticks, but yeah. So, just making my bed. I have about 14,000 pillows, so gotta put those on there. Ta-da! And then I make tea. Now, back in November, I strayed away from caffeine, but it's 6 months into the semester now, so I drink caffeinated tea. I refuse to ever switch to coffee, but caffeinated tea I will consume now. But yeah, lemon ginger is really good. Add some honey. It's great for when you have a sore throat. And then I also just get my breakfast, which is overnight oats. And oh my gosh, so basically I sit and listen to music while eating, so you get to see this really embarrassing clip of me dancing while eating, which honestly probably is not even safe. So I don't recommend. But yeah, enjoy me dancing. So then I drink my tea because I have a really weak mouth, so I let it cool down first. And then I go brush my teeth. Wow, residence bathroom, so beautiful. Then I take my glasses off so I can wash my face. I use this thing to keep my bangs out of the way. Then I put my contacts in. Warning. Yep, I touched my eyeballs. Then I put some moisturizer on. Ta-da! Fix my bangs and we're good to go. So I tried to do this transition thing into my everyday clothes, so enjoy that. Wow, magic. Then I curl my lashes, put mascara on, and then I put earrings in. And I also ended up putting a necklace on, but I don't think I showed that. So that's my outfit. Wow, Elton John. It's like my favorite musician in the world. And then I decided to tie my hair. So here's me doing that. Updated outfit. Then I pack up my things and I go to the library to study. Wow, my campus is so beautiful. Look, oh my god. So I'm at the library realizing that I actually have to study now, but at least I have a really beautiful view. I always start by looking at what I have to do. If you saw in the corner it said 11 because it's November, but that's fine. So I have to work on an essay. So here we are doing just that. Fun times, love life. So then after that I had class for 3 hours. And when I'm back from everything, I am exhausted. Oh my gosh. Very long day. And I decided to start drinking carrot juice because I'm paranoid about my vision, so here's my first attempt at drinking it for health. Yeah, I didn't like it that much, but I gave it another shot. And it's really gross, but you know. Then I made my way over to the gym. It's quite the trek to get there. I have to walk down approximately 98 steps, 92 steps, something like that. So it's a workout on the way there and on the way back too. And then I get dinner, walking back to my residence. And then enjoy this little mukbang of me eating the cafeteria pasta while watching Tana Mojo's video about her refusing to like do porn for $1 million or something. I don't even remember which video, but yeah. So then I took a shower and it's time for a face mask. I love face masks. I honestly prefer sheet masks because I'm lazy to wash clay masks off. All you have to do is peel it off. It's beautiful. Then I blow dry my bangs so that they don't dry weirdly. There's a bang hack for you folks with bangs. Use a round brush and a blow dryer, or like a round blow dryer like the one I have. It's really, really, really helpful. If I didn't have this, honestly, I don't think I would even bother keeping my bangs. Then I have another cup of tea to unwind. I love tea. Then it's time to make overnight oats for tomorrow. So I use these oats things from Quaker and I put it in the bag because it spills all over the place. And then almond milk. I'll have the recipe down in the description. Chia seeds. I just like eyeball it. I randomly just do 2 spoonfuls. I honestly don't even know how much I'm supposed to use. Then I put some honey in. Yogurt. And for some reason, for this clip, I decided to change the angle, so here we are. And I usually put it in the measuring cup, so I don't know what I'm doing here. I just put it directly in the jar. Whoops, but I guess that's fine. And then I add some cinnamon. Don't judge the way I'm putting it in. It's actually really weird. Like, I end up mixing it anyway, so I don't know what I'm doing, but there you go. Then I mix it all up. My hands are clean, okay? Don't get grossed out by this part. Then I put it in the fridge for tomorrow. Yay. Then I end the day by putting on the Laneige lip sleep mask or whatever it's called, and I actually really love it. I notice a huge difference when I use it. It just makes my lips so soft and so smooth. And then I go to bed. I usually go to bed anywhere from like 10:30 to 12:30. I really try to go to bed as early as I can, but you know, sometimes it's not possible because I have so much to do, or people on my floor are being really loud and I can't fall asleep. Sometimes people take showers at 2 in the morning blasting music, but you know, it's fine. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I post videos every Thursday. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.